Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Taro's Reward. So in today's video I will share the summary of this chapter. So please watch this video till the end. So first I want to tell you that Taro's Reward is a popular fairy tale in Japan. It involves the story of a son, Taro, who wanted to fulfill the wishes of his father. Taro was a poor boy. He lived with his parents on the hillside. He earned money by chopping woods from the forest, but the money he earned was not sufficient for him and for his parents. So one day what happened? When all the people were in their home, it started blowing cold wind, and all the people in the home felt cold due to the wind passing from the cracks of wooden house. Taro's father also felt cold, and he wished if he could have some sake. And you know what is sake? Sake is a popular and costly drink of Japan. It's very expensive also. So when Taro saw that his father was feeling cold and wanted sake, but sake was very expensive and costly, and he had not enough money to buy that expensive sake. So Taro became very sad and decided to work hard to get more and more money so that he could buy the expensive sake for his father. So next day he woke up earlier than usual and went to the forest to cut the woods. So while cutting wood, he heard a sound of falling water. So hearing the sound of water, Taro was surprised, as he knew that there was no river around that place. Anyways, he was also thirsty, so he followed the sound of water. Soon he found a waterfall behind the rock. So he went near to that fall and put his hand in the water. So when Taro took a sip from that water, he was surprised, as that was not water but it was sake. So he became very happy and filled some sake in his pitcher and left for home. So as he reached his home, he gave this sake to his father. Then his father sipped the sake and started dancing with joy. So in the same evening, a neighbor came. So Taro's father offered a cup of sake. The woman happily took the sake, and his father told them about all the incident which happened to Taro. So that woman spread the news to all the people in the village. So every villager rushed to Taro's home and tasted the sake. So next morning, Taro again woke up early and searched the biggest pitcher and went to the waterfall. To his surprise, he found that other villagers were also going to the fall. Soon people reached the fall and tasted the sake, but they found that water of the fall was not sake but a plain water. The people became angry and decided to draw Taro in that waterfall. So when Taro saw all this, he hid behind the rock and waited till all the villagers went home. So when all villagers went back home, he again tasted the water, but to his surprise, he still felt that it was sake. In fact, the waterfall was giving Taro a sake, while to villagers it was giving plain water. Then the story of Taro's care for his parents reached the king. So the king awarded Taro 20 pieces of gold to encourage other children to take care of their parents. And also, he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro's name. So this is the story. I hope you have understood it very well. Now your homework is to write the moral of this story and send me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for watching this video.